Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Appreciate you all tuning into the live stream. And yes, before you tune in, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So yes, let's go over today what ended up happening, and also want to go over some swings here. Yo, what's up, everyone? All right, so let's see. All right, let's see. QQQ. We're gonna go over pretty much all these trades. Yo, Lamar, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. All right, one second. I'm pretty much starting everything up, so kind of got on a little bit late, but we're here. So yeah, we're gonna knock all these trades out. All these likes on the live are for me, dude. Man, I appreciate it, bro. all the 31 likes. All right, one second here. All right, looks like we're live. Gonna tell the chat we are too. All right, cool. So yeah, everyone knows we're on live. Obviously for the Qs today, the downside ended up doing amazing. Kind of want to get rid of all this. So for tomorrow, hold on, let's fix this brightness up a bit. For tomorrow, what I can see here, we still got empty space above us. If we want to, go up, that's perfectly fine. Probably going to tweak these boxes up, though. Probably just use a 1 hour on that. But yeah, we'll see how things play out for tomorrow. Yes, we got a lot of gaps down, so, this is a play here. And yeah, if we end up dropping even more, this is another big play that I could see happening sometime soon. Yo, Dwayne, what's up, bro? HD in the video. Yep, got you guys. So under this, what, 602 area to this downside, down to this 594. That's what I can see for tomorrow, for the Qs, if that ends up happening, of course. But yeah, overall great day on this trade. Gave 2 legs down, so 2 possible entries. That ended up doing pretty well. Alright, so that's there. Let's keep on going. AVGO. We got NVDA pulled up. HD. Alright, we'll do that one first. Let's see. NVDA, we already got that pulled up. Circle. Yes, sir, man. Got you. We'll definitely go over it. Alright, so let's see. Alright, HD. Okay, it looks like we hit our final TP. This is on a little 4-hour chart. Honestly, to this upside here, if we do continue, I could see a little final target at this 369. But other than that, my final was hit. I do see that there is a little box here, so honestly, we can get rid of this. If this candle closes like this, this will be considered a little box here, which honestly doesn't look too bad. And yes, under that, let's see here. Yo, Gmo, what's up, bro? Yes, sir, got you. So under that 356, empty space down to that 345. So yeah, we got empty space that is under us right now. It looks like we're in that box, so do want to see what can happen on that. So literally looks like the play we had today, or a couple of the plays that we had today. See, clear gap up, no consolidation. We waited for the break under our walls, empty space under us. Same thing, IWM. See what we posted there, the empty space, and yeah, beautiful moves, beautiful day. Can't complain at all. You can see a couple members end up hitting a few of those trades there. So yeah, shout out Wall Street, shout out to all these other members here catching that little play. Day 3 of trades, starting with only $100 here. So one member ended up starting with what, $100. And he's doing good. QQ, Tesla, IWM. So literally same trades, empty space, spotter box. That's just what I can see. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Yo, Chris, what's up, bro? RIVN, yes, sir. I got you, man. He said, could have held on Qs, but nerves, man. The nerves. Bro, honestly, for this Q's play, so like for this example here, yeah, we had a beautiful play. I'll be honest, I will end up trimming up, especially at that, you know, first TP. And then I'll leave those runners. So for me, I don't really have any nerves. It's just, I think about it like this. Either, you know, I'll make money or I'll have to stop out and get a new trade. So, yeah, it was a beautiful trade and it went even down even more. So that's the only reason why I told the team about this next leg down. So, honestly, I could have held from the top of the full position, but I'm just glad, you know, the targets ended up hitting. But yeah, I gave 2 possible entries on that. I know a few members were just holding pretty much straight through, but yeah, man, not a bad day for sure, especially on this Monday. All right, so HD, we did that. NVDA, okay. This is what I wanted today. I have not inserted on this. We went over this in my last live stream. So the only reason why I didn't want to take this is because we didn't get that close, and I wanted to see some sort of retest here, and we kind of did, but I didn't get an entry. So I kind of want to get rid of this. What I can see next is this. So pretty much just tweaking up this box here. I kind of want to see if we can get a clear, strong close outside of this 177 area, and yeah, pretty much empty space here. So see, clear gap down, no consolidation. Looks really good. So boom, empty space, first TP. So yeah, I had to tweak it up just a bit here, but actually really decent. So looks like all these other plays here, we're in that box, no trade. So we're in this box. It's not looking good for me. I don't want to take this. Yo, Lamar, what's up, bro? Appreciate it, man. But yeah, if we're in that box, no entry, we'll break out that wall. There's that entry there. So same thing, just like these Tesla calls play. So we are already above our wall here, and you can see what ended up happening, and that aftermath ended up being very crazy. So that trade just went straight to the roof. That was a crazy trade. So same thing, you can see all the members. Some members caught one, some caught all of them, and you know, QQ gave 2 entries. So pretty much same thing. I wouldn't rush into it. I could care less about it unless we can get that entry there. AVGO, okay. Yo, yes sir, man. Appreciate you tuning into the live stream. Let's see. Yo, Emmanuel, what's up, bro? So yeah, we kind of already hit our targets, or at least my targets were hit on this AVGO play. So that 344. You can see pretty much all this empty space here that ended up going straight to. And yes, after this we will be going over some swings that I'm looking for end of day. Alright, so gotta look like this. Okay, yeah. So what I can see here, so yeah, this is more of a range, but I still would take this as a regular box here. Right under that. So actually, it doesn't look bad. I'll write this down. I'll write it down. Yeah, it looks good. All right, so yeah, under that 325, empty space is under us, down to that, let's see here. First, I would see it down to that 308. That's what I can see. Maybe leave a runner down to that 295, but actually not a bad little move. Right now, we're just inside of that box, so don't really want to take anything. All right, yeah, so that's there. Looks good. Looks like we're punching back here, though. Not too bad there. All right, so yeah, let's keep on going. CRCL. Let's see. So yeah, pretty much all these trades are the same. CRCL, we did not want to go into this empty space here, so yes, we have to draw a new box. looks like actually for something as of right now, it looks like, yeah, we got some empty space below us. So honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. Oh, that actually doesn't look too bad. I wouldn't be surprised if we end up continuing to drop, because what I see here, so pretty much every day what we target, empty space. So looks like we're breaking outside of consolidation. So if at the end of the day, if we can stay outside this wall here, I would like that downside. I don't know what the cons look like, so I'd have to take a look at those. But yeah, empty space. So just like all these other trades, pretty much how we broke it down. You can see what we called out for today inside the Discord. Empty space, clear gap up, no consolidation. We break under consolidation. We end up getting in. See IWM. Boom. And yes, you can see when we called these trades out, told them just to have that stop loss if in. See IWM puts too. And yeah, you can see what ended up happening. This was just today. So beautiful Monday. So some members grabbed one con, some grabbed a few. And yeah, beautiful day. Day 3 of trades only started with $100. So yeah, it looks like he did his thing today. Started with 100 a couple days ago, and now he's doing great. And yeah, if one trade doesn't work, that's fine. There's always another trade. That's that. CRCL doesn't look bad. Actually, maybe I'll write it down. Just maybe. All right. Hold on. Let's fix this. Actually, I'll just leave this up. It actually doesn't look terrible. All right. So yes, let's keep on going. RIVN, yo, Chris. Hopefully you're still watching. All right. So man, what's up? PRAX. Perfect. And then AXTI. All right, hold on. I'm gonna pull up all these trades here. BABA. Okay, cool. Is the Discord paid? So we actually have a free Discord and also a VIP Discord. Honestly, free chat is there. You can also watch my free live streams. But the VIP Discord, I think it's what, $29 a week, $100 a month or so. I will be throwing a code probably this week, like an early Christmas code, maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. But yeah, we pretty much post everything, and then when time comes, we just get in and then we get out. And obviously, if one trade doesn't work, that's fine. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, everything's in the bio. You can honestly just join the free chat if you'd like to. All right, so hold on, let's see. So RVN, let's take a look here. Looks like we did not want to drop there at all. Let's keep going. Let's go to a higher time frame. Wait, hold on. Am I crazy? I might be a little crazy here, but all right, I do see something. Let me go to this higher time frame really quickly. All right. Ooh, that looks good. Yeah, that looks amazing. All right, I found like at least 2 already. I already had a list already, guys. All right, let me see. RIVN, not bad, and then okay, cool. All right, yeah, what I can see here. So not as much structure as I would like, but I still like this area of consolidation here. What I kind of would want to see, so if we scroll in a bit, let's grab this horizontal line right above this 1979 area. Yeah, it doesn't look bad, I will say. If we can get that clear break, we got empty space up to this, let's see, 2368. Yeah, that actually looks pretty good. So yeah, what I can basically see is this clear gap down there. That looks good to the upside. If we can get it. Tesla full port puts. Man, that Tesla play ended up crazy today. We'll actually go over it too. All right, RVN, I do like that. I kind of want to see over that 1979. Maybe a lotto, but yeah, other than that, it looks good. So Tesla, we got to go over BABA, AXTI, and PRAX. I got you guys. And yes, if you have any requests, now's the time to drop those in the comments. If you don't have any questions, no worries. We're still going to find some watch lists anyway. already have like a good few. All right, so all right, cool. AXTI. Okay, I gotta look at this weekly chart here, and then yeah, we'll break it down. So pretty much in the Discord, we do the same thing here, just in the Discord. And yeah, if I'm on the weekly chart, if I don't see anything there, then I go down to a lower time frame. As for like a play like this, I do like to stick to that higher time frame. Which I do see something here. So let's see. ASTS looks like it has some solid room down. Yo, Logan, what's up, bro? Yeah, I got you, man. He said, I can safely say when I joined up, the cost paid itself back on the first day. Yo, Dwayne. Dude, yeah, you've been doing great, man. Honestly, it's, if anyone does plan on joining, just, you know, stay patient. And, you know, don't rush into anything. Let the trades come to you. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. Potter Stock is live. Is Potter live right now? Make sure to join him up, too. Give him a nice little follow. So, yeah, clear gap down. Want to see right above this 18.29 up to that 23.14 area. So, yeah, that actually looks really good. He said, I'm still learning every day, dude, man. Yeah, that's why it's just like for me, I stay patient. I don't like to rush into any trades. Like, if there's nothing for the day, obviously not today, but we were blessed to have a couple good trades. Shout out to Jesus, but you know, if there's nothing, I don't force it. I just let the trade come to me, and that's it pretty much. Just like BABA. Okay. I ended up missing this one, alright? I just seen this right now. Just like a trade like this. So, there'll be times where, you know, I may miss a trade. So, like this one, I missed this one. I'm just not going to revenge trade. There's always going to be another setup. Yeah, man, we had this empty space here. I just pulled this chart up. Obviously, yes, we had this Potter box here. We broke under our wall. And then, yeah, we ended up going to that downside, hitting that first TP. If it happens, 147.20, that's that final target for me. He said, where can I order my, yeah, that's pretty much it, hoodie. Dude, actually, so I got a lot planned this week. We're supposed to be making the merch for this, we're going to make some hoodies, so that should be all done by this week, or pretty much getting started. So I'll have that, man. What time frame would you take entries on? So if it's a weekly chart or a 24-hour chart, I do like to wait till the end of the day, the last hour, for swings. Just like this A&F trade here, so we're close to that first TP. So yeah, we charted this on the weekly chart. I just waited to the end of the day. We waited on a 24-hour close, so you can have a higher time frame analysis and a lower time frame entry. I personally like the 24-hour candle closures, and then boom, you can see straight up green candles there. But yeah, if I'm on like so like our day trades for today, so how we broke it down, I told the team, look guys, you can see the targets. If Finn just had that stop loss, just trim accordingly. If you're playing, boom, empty space. So we chart this one on a 30-minute chart. I actually went down to a lower time frame. So if I would have, you know, waited for that 30-minute close, plus it was, you know, going down pretty fast, I would have missed it. We went down to what, a 5-minute, 3-minute chart to find that entry, and you can see, I think we posted it here. So yeah, we always post it. So I told the team what I was doing. It needs a retest here, and I'll, you know, play it. And then boom, you can see those little targets there. So yeah, higher time frame analysis, lower time frame entry. If I chart it on a 24-hour chart, I personally wait to the end of the day, or maybe I'll have like a starter during the day. All right, cool, cool, cool. All right, cool, cool, cool. Let's see here. All right, so Tesla, I think someone wanted me to go over this. So yeah, we had a straight green candle, basically right at open, and we went up. I don't really have any words for it. Nothing really stopping us to this upside here. Yo, HC, yeah, no worries, man. So yeah, for me at least, there's just nothing really stopping us to the upside. We could end up getting that continuation. We can go ahead and get rid of this though, and look for a lower time frame entry. So for today, what I'm seeing is, yes, we got empty space here. So this is something that I would want to trade into for tomorrow. I feel like overnight we might end up creating if we end up chopping like a little box here, and then tomorrow I'll take that to the downside there. Obviously, yes, we got a little bit of a move there. So yeah, we got pretty much a couple ways to play it. But yeah, I do like that 1 hour. See if we can build a little bit of construction. Boom. Also, there's a little play here. So if we end up gapping down, there's also this. But yeah, as of right now, on the higher time frame, nothing really stopping us, so I don't really have any words for it. Let's see here. Let's see. So yeah, this could be a little play here for tomorrow, 463 to 456. Actually, a pretty good move if that ends up happening. So we'll just have to see. Yo, HC, thanks for the gifts, man. Really appreciate it, bro. All right, so yeah, that's on Tesla. We'll keep on going here. CRCO looks really good. Not too bad there. BABA. that's a perfect move. I was actually waiting on this, but it ended up happening. So let's see. MSFT, so Microsoft, AXTI. Hold on. ITRG. All right, perfect. And yes, if you're in the Discord, I will be there with those end of day swings. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice little day. All right, cool. So yeah, I do see a good few that I like here. ITRG, maybe on this weekly chart it could be a decent one. We'll see though. So it looks like we kind of already filled this empty space, so I'm late to this move. I'll be completely honest. Yes, there's a little bit more of a gap up that I could see. Let me look at a higher time or a lower time frame really quickly, see if I can break it down. Actually, let's see. Okay. Yeah, I got it. So I probably wouldn't want to take, I probably won't take this one unless there's like a clean break. Yo, Ramon, what's up, bro? Hope you're having a good day, man. So right above that 575, if we can get that break, that continuation, do want to see up to this 637. So there is an empty space that looks really good. Heck yeah, man, no worries, man. Yeah, just grateful for today. Yeah, there's more days tomorrow. So yeah, man, one day at a time, we'll get there. So yeah, over that 575, empty spaces above there. That looks good. Let's see here, Microsoft. So yeah, MSFT. So pretty much gonna look for those same exact positions. we can go ahead and get rid of all this. Okay. I don't like how we look on this 4-hour. Looks like we're in a little bit of chop. What I will say though, I still like it. I still feel the same way about it. So just like all these other trades that we had, or that we have, I see a clear gap down. Or, hold on, there's this box here. It's the Potter box. Empty space above us. So kind of want to see if we can break outside of this 479, and then yes, empty space up to this 483, which looks good. So yeah, clear gap down, no consolidation. Empty space is above us, so not too bad there. Alright, cool. Alright, so, and also I did see Lulu. This is another one that didn't look too bad. We're pretty much at this box here, so gotta see if we can break outside this wall, but kind of would want something clear on that. Like a clear break. We're just right there, so we'll just see how things play out on that. Not too bad there. But yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. I gotta do a lot of typing now for those end of day swings. If you do want to join the Discord, links in bio. You can scroll through the games page and just see what we did here. See what a few members end up doing for today. And yeah, pretty much posted not all the charts, but yeah, you can see what we did here. And yeah, not a bad day. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. I'll either see you inside the Discord or in my next live stream. So yes, I will be live for free tomorrow before market opens. So yes, I'll either see you in the Discord or in the last live stream, guys. So yes, have a blessing, guys. See you all soon in Jesus' name, amen.